Welcome to JH. Here is how to place two videos side by side in Premiere Pro 2023. It is a straightforward process. Start with your two clips and place the second video on the track directly above the first one. Because the top layer currently covers the bottom one, select that upper clip and navigate to the Effect Controls panel. Here, you can modify the scale and position. By clicking and dragging the scale value to the left, you can easily shrink the image, setting it to 40, for example. To move the clip, use the position settings. The first value controls the horizontal x-axis for left and right movement, while the second value adjusts the vertical y-axis for up and down. I will reset these parameters to show you an alternative method. If you click directly on the scale or motion heading, transform points will appear on the video. This allows you to manually resize and reposition the footage by dragging it within the frame. Once the first clip is moved to one side, select the other video and repeat the steps to scale it down and slide it into place. While many editors are used to entering numerical parameters, this version of Premiere Pro makes it very easy to adjust your layout visually. If this tutorial was helpful, please subscribe and leave a comment about what you want to see next. Goodbye.